Hello guys, today our topic is how to install any software on your PC. I am taking KM Player as an example, so let's begin. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So first of all, to install any software, you need to download the software from internet, then follow the installation procedure. Now opening the software file, right click on it, then run as administrator, then click OK. You can see it's starting. Then next, I accept or I agree the license. Okay, I agree. Then next, you can choose the location where you want to save the file from this browse option. Okay, install. You can see it's extracting, it's installing. Okay, Microsoft Visual C++. We don't need to install it. Cancel it. We only want to install KM Player. Cancel it. Okay. Yes. Okay, when the installation is done, then click on finish. You can see our program is installed. Auto update. No, close it. You can see our program has been installed on our PC. So that's the simple step. I hope for the beginners this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.